Welcome back to Fuji Guy's channel. My name is Francis. So in this series of videos, we're going to take a look on how to use certain features of the X-T4. So if you're interested, keep on watching. So the way to change your shutter speed, aperture, and ISO on the X-T4 is going to be using these dials on top of the camera, just to change the ISO here, the shutter speed, and then your aperture. But you might come from a DSLR and prefer using the command dials to do so. So to do that with the X-T4, you will simply bring the shutter speed dial to the T setting, the ISO dial to the C setting, and then the aperture ring on the lens to A. Now, you see on the screen, you have a little icon there that shows you the rear command dial is going to be changing your shutter speed, and then your front command dial now is changing the ISO. Now the aperture is set to A, it doesn't have a C position, so to change that we're going to go into the wrench icon and then to the button and dial setting, and then we're going to go down to aperture ring setting A, and then we're going to change auto to command. Now, using that front command dial, I can push on it and then toggle through the ISO and the f-stop. So now I'm on the f-stop, and then I can change it just like that. And then go back to ISO, just like that. So these are the way you can change your basic settings on the X-T4.